Good morning, dear students. I, Parul Madam, welcome you all in the online mathematics class. Today we are going to continue lesson number 10, tenths and hundreds. Let's start.
Let us fill in the blanks. 15 centimeters and 4 millimeters is the same as 15.4 centimeters. 15 centimeters and 4 millimeters is the same as 15.4 centimeters. 44 centimeters and 7 millimeters is the same as 44.7 centimeters. 44 centimeters and 7 millimeters is the same as 44.7 centimeters. 37.5 centimeters is the same as 37 centimeters and 5 millimeters. 37.5 centimeters is the same as 37 centimeters and 5 millimeters. 12 centimeters and 3 millimeters is the same as 12.3 centimeters. 12 centimeters and 3 millimeters is the same as 12.3 centimeters. 65.9 centimeters is the same as centimeters and millimeters. 65 9 65.9 centimeters is the same as 65 centimeters and 9 millimeters. 7 millimeters is the same as 0.7 centimeters. 7 millimeters is the same as 0.7 centimeters. 2 millimeters is the same as 0.2 centimeters. 2 millimeters is the same as 0.2 centimeters. Will you help Buzz match the following correctly? 5 centimeters and 7 millimeters. 5.7 centimeters. 89 centimeters and 2 millimeters. 89.2 centimeters. 13 centimeters and 9 millimeters. 13.9 centimeters. 6 millimeters. 0.6 centimeters. 47 centimeters and 3 millimeters. 47.3 centimeters. 4 millimeters. 0.4 centimeters. Will you help Buzz once again to match correctly? 50 paise. Rupee 0.50. 10 paise. Rupee 0.10. 75 paise. Rupee 0.75. 5 paise. Rupee 0.05. 99 paise. Rupee 0.99. 25 paise. Rupee 0.25. Just look at the cost of different things carefully. Let us help Buzz find out the answers correctly. How many paise does a matchbox cost? 75 paise. What is the cost of an ice cream? Rupees 5.50. Chinu wants to buy an ice cream. He gives two 2 rupee coins and 2 1 rupee coins to the ice cream seller. How much will the ice cream seller give him back? The ice cream seller will give him 50 paise or rupee 0.50 back. A banana costs rupees 1.50. How much will a dozen bananas cost? A dozen is equal to 12 things. So, it is 12 into 1.50. First, let us do 12 into 1 is equal to 12. Then 12 into 0.50, which is 6. Now 12 plus 6 is equal to 18. So, a dozen bananas will cost rupees 18. Meenu has rupees 20. How many toys can Meenu buy? Each toy costs rupees 9.50. 2 toys cost rupees 19. So Meenu can buy 2 toys with rupees 20. Let us fill in the blanks. 1 meter is centimeters. 100. 1 meter is 100 centimeters. 1 centimeter is of a meter. One by 100. 1 centimeter is 1 by 100 of a meter. 1 centimeter is the same as meter. Zero point 0.01. 1 centimeter is the same as 0.01 meter. Let us match the following now. 4 meters, 55 centimeters. 4.55 meters. 99 centimeters. 2.99 meters. 2 meters 5 centimeters. 2.05 meters. 15 meters 10 centimeters. 15.10 meters. 12 meters 7 centimeters. 12.07 meters. In a hopping competition for rabbits, the scores of the first 5 rabbits are: Rabbit 1 4.50 meters, Rabbit 2 4.05 meters, Rabbit 3 3.15 meters, Rabbit 4 3.05 meters, Rabbit 5 4.75 meters. Which rabbit won the game? Rabbit 5. Which rabbit finished last? Rabbit 4. 4.05 meters is the same as 4 meters and 5 centimeters. 4.05 meters is the same as 4 meters and 5 centimeters. Four 4.50 meters is the same as 4 meters and 50 centimeters. 4.50 meters is the same as 4 meters and 50 centimeters. Let us put the rabbits in the victory stand in order of 1, 2 and 3. Rabbit 5, Rabbit 1 and Rabbit 2.
Sports Day. The school at Malappuram had its sports day. Many children took part in long jump. The top 5 girls in long jump are Tina 3.50 meters, Meena 4.5 meters, Rehana 4.50 meters, Anu 3.5 meters, Amina 3.35 meters. Now children, can you arrange these girls according to their positions? First is Rehana. She jumped 4.50 meters, which is 4 meter and 50 centimeters. Second is Meena. She jumped 4.5 meters, which is 4 meters and 5 centimeters. Third is Tina. She jumped 3.50 meters, which is 3 meter and 50 centimeters. Fourth is Amina. She jumped 3.35 meters, which is 3 meters and 35 centimeters. Fifth is Anu. She jumped 3.5 meters, which is 3 meters and 5 centimeters. Now we can come to know who is the winner. And the winner in the long jump is Rehana. Since she covered maximum distance in her jump, that is, she covered a distance of 4.50 meters, that is 4 meters and 50 centimeters. Second is Meena. Since she covered a distance of 4.5 meters, that is 4 meters and 5 centimeters in her jump, whereas third is Tina. Since she covered a distance of 3.50 meters, that is 3 meters and 50 centimeters in her jump. Write in meters. Children, remember, 1 meter has 100 parts. That is, each part is called centimeters. So, 1 meter has 100 centimeters. M means meter and cm means centimeter. So, naturally, 1 centimeter means 100th part of a meter. Or we can also say 1 centimeter is 0.01 meters. 20 centimeters is 0.20 meters. It can also be written as 0.2 meters. Now children, see the difference between 50 centimeter and 5 centimeters. 50 centimeters can also be written as 0.50 meters or 0.5 meters. Whereas 5 centimeter is written as 0.05 meters. Now 92 centimeter is 0.92 meters. 100 centimeter is 1 meter. 3 meter 45 centimeter is 3.45 meters. 99 centimeter is 0.99 meters. 1 meter and 5 centimeter is 1.05 meters. 2 meter and 50 centimeter can be written as 2.50 meters or 2.5 meters. How big can you get? A healthy person is shown in this figure. After breathing the air out, the chest contracts. So the measure of his chest is 1.52 meters. And after taking a deep breath, the chest expands. So the measure of his chest is 1.82 meters. The difference in chest size is 1.82 meters minus 1.52 meters. That is 0.30 meter, or we can also write as 0.3 meter or 30 centimeter. Dinesh's sister is measuring his height. She tells that Dinesh has to grow 45 centimeters more to reach 2 meter height. Children, what is Dinesh's height? So 2.00 minus 0.45 we get as 1.55 meters. That is 1 meter 55 centimeters. So Dinesh's height is 1 meter 55 centimeters. Hope to meet you in next online mathematics class. Thank you. Take care.